Good morning. Oh, you getting kisses from Molly? Molly's saying good morning. Molly's saying good morning. You got them hiccups. Oh, girl. You got them hiccups. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. So I had my first photo shoot yesterday, and I did pretty good. I was a little fussy at first at the house. And then at the beach, I posed, and I was real cute, and I laid there and moved my little arms, crossed my arms and feet over each other. We didn't even have to pose you, because you were already posing, girl. See, my eyes are getting more blue. See their big eyes? Got pretty blue eyes. And my hair is getting crazy. You can see it sticks up a lot back here in the back. It's hard for mommy to do anything with. It's getting long, though. See, my hair is getting long. It's getting real long. It's getting real long. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yeah, you stretching it out, girl. You stretching it out.